Imagine you're a business owner. You've heard that YouTube is a great way to reach new customers and grow your business, but you don't know where to start. You're not a videographer, and you don't want to spend a lot of money on production costs. Faceless video content creation could be the solution you're looking for. Faceless videos are videos that are created without showing the creator's face. This can be done using a variety of methods, such as animation, screen recording, or voiceover. One of the most popular faceless YouTube channels is Bright Side. Bright Side has over 48 million subscribers, and its videos have been viewed over 30 billion times. Bright Side creates educational videos on a variety of topics, such as science, history, and personal development. Bright Side's success is due in part to its use of faceless video content creation. Faceless videos allow Bright Side to focus on the content of its videos, rather than the person delivering the content. This makes Bright Side's videos more accessible to a wider audience. Another big name, HubSpot, also uses faceless video content creation to educate businesses about its products and services and to generate leads and sales. For example, HubSpot has a series of faceless videos called Marketing Made Simple. These videos cover a variety of marketing topics, such as how to create a content marketing strategy, how to use social media for marketing, and how to generate leads from your website. HubSpot's faceless videos are well-produced, informative, and engaging. They are also highly relevant to HubSpot's target audience, which is businesses of all sizes. As a result, HubSpot's faceless videos have been very successful in helping the company to achieve its marketing goals. So why would you want to create faceless videos for your business? They're cost-effective. Faceless videos can be created for a fraction of the cost of traditional video production. They're accessible. Anyone can create faceless videos, regardless of their technical skills or experience. They're versatile. Faceless videos can be used for a variety of purposes, such as product demos, educational videos, and brand stories. They're engaging. Faceless videos can be just as engaging as traditional videos, if not more so. If you're interested in getting started with faceless video content creation, there are a few things you can do today. Choose a topic. What do you want to create videos about? Choose a topic that you're passionate about and that you know well. For instance, if your enterprise operates within the realm of cybersecurity, consider developing content that delves into recent security breaches, evaluates the cyber capabilities of different nations, or sheds light on prominent hacking collectives. By aligning your content with your interests and knowledge, you can craft engaging and insightful videos that captivate your audience. Choose a video format. There are many different types of faceless videos, such as animation, screen recording, or voiceover. Choose a format that you're comfortable with and that suits your topic. Create your video. Once you've chosen a topic and format, it's time to start creating your video. Numerous software tools are available for producing faceless videos, though most operate on a subscription basis and can pose challenges for those unfamiliar with video editing. To optimize both your time and resources, consider collaborating with a partner like VideoCEOs. With our expertise, we can simplify the creation process for you, ensuring your content is crafted seamlessly and effectively, allowing you to focus on your message and audience. Optimize your video for YouTube. Once you've created your video, you need to optimize it for YouTube. This means using relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. Proper optimization is really important as it ensures your videos are discoverable through search, connecting your content with the right audience. Promote your video. Once your video is optimized, you need to promote it. Share your video on social media and other platforms to reach a wider audience. Faceless video content is one of the most effective ways to market your business on YouTube and other social media platforms. It's cost-effective, easy to produce, and can be used to create a wide variety of content, from educational videos to product demos to behind-the-scenes looks at your business. Plus, faceless video content is highly engaging and can help you attract a wider audience. So if you're serious about succeeding on YouTube and dominating your niche, start creating faceless video content today.